uyangikhenipha yo ake ngibonge lethuba lokutshena these weak cheap bastards your music is bad ungalalisa 3 dick chicks manje I'm sick with rhymes and my ill speech akuthinta you diamond estradini ngenza mnuku I'm a street kid right yeah my 16 bars can leave a face with 50 scars yeah this is my year I'm pissed off these deals we signed them yankhenipha usenciphile kazithini ngaye maybe udliwa ivirus similar to a hidden file man this was my plan ngifuna ukubuya ngina 50 something so ngiphakamisa insimbi njengeparel yaka chicks for money if chicks don't love me then it's fine I will give your mommy something hot and ngikhuluma ngama hits yo dummy aniye kulona ngibuza ngenza nini track no Abdus it's been 3 years savumelana kuyacaca ukuthi akafuni lo ukabhaza mina eThekwini izinga lokubhala liyanyuka and ngwa respect ama OG yangizela nobudala bephupha every time I address the issue but I'm beefing with who mungafuni ngiphawule ngawe bhala inosis ngoba ngibhuli inkinga yenu ni sensitive you know as hard as we knew ne we comfort zone njengesulmane edayisa amaphilo nengubo lalela la makhehla ngidisa ungwaziba kalula phela ihaters sajabela ukushutha nami have nothing to lose sathi ungakhipha mina esikhundleni ngokuthanda abantu abawu2 nabo labo bantu baya rap abafuna iplatform like you I'm sick of this dude yazi umuntu alibele isinama ejazini ngiza ne stuff esdop mongakholwa babuze swazini I'm not saying I'm the best the case that nokuthi ngiphethe la but makhono sathi uyena ophethe crown then imlethe la white tell
yeah